We just came here downtown to the downtown waterfall. So the waterfall actually, the water is falling from the top. We call it a waterfall.
And here's the man, Kiko's birthday.
Kiko,
Kiko, hey, look what kind of exit? You fucking enjoy yourself there, dog. That's cool with nobody's fucking eyes there like a fucking bitch.
One of the world's greatest waterfalls.
Yes, yes, yes.
Welcome to the Victoria Falls.
Here we have the birthday boy's future wife. They're getting buckled in December. Say something, Diaksha.
Hi!
And here we have Session and Radha. Hey, how you guys doing?
Good, good.
Yeah, hey, you have a good day, man. No, it's okay. Yeah, cool it. That's the phone. He got the upload, bro.
Even you might have started to see it.
That was just open up, put it up.
Want to fly?
Yeah, bro.
You must come here again. All the samples forever. Part and still.
Finally, if you single, can't come.
With your girlfriend forever, just keep moving with her. Can you come and sit over here with your food?
No.
But after there's lots of people that come here. You can't fly here. You can't fly. Thanks, eh?
Happy birthday.
Thanks, yeah. Vanakkam and namaste. Assalamualaikum. No problem. So if I can force to work, if I can put in the water. That's